The Deshuti project, led by research professor José Manuel Galán from the Spanish National Research Council, has discovered a 4,000-year-old funerary garden, the first such garden ever to be found on the Dra Abu el Naga hill in Luxor. The discoveries made by this project shed light on a key epoch when, for the first time, Thebes became the capital of the unified kingdom of Upper and Lower Egypt about 4,000 years ago. Dr. José Galán explains, "We knew of the possible existence of these gardens since they appear in illustrations both at the entrances to tombs as well as on tomb walls, where Egyptians would depict how they wanted their funerals to be." The garden itself consisted of a small rectangular area raised half a meter off the ground and divided into 30-centimeter square beds. In addition, next to the garden, 2 trees were planted. This is the first time that a physical garden has ever been found, and it is, therefore, the first time that archaeology can confirm what had been deduced from the iconography. The discovery and thorough analysis of the garden will provide valuable information about both the botany and the environmental conditions of ancient Thebes of Luxor 4,000 years ago. The plants grown there would have had a symbolic meaning and may have played a role in funerary rituals. Therefore, the garden will also provide information about religious beliefs and practices, as well as the culture and society at the time of the 12th dynasty, when Thebes became the capital of the unified kingdom of Upper and Lower Egypt for the first time. We know that palm, sycamore, and persea trees were associated with the deceased's power of resurrection. Now we must wait to see what plants we can identify by analyzing the seeds we have collected. It is a spectacular and quite unique find which opens up multiple avenues of research. Digging in a necropolis not only allows us to discover details about the world of funerals, religious beliefs, and funerary practices, it also helps us discover details about daily life, about society, and about the physical environment, both plant and animal. The garden or funeral garden was unearthed in an open courtyard at the entrance of the Middle Kingdom rock-cut tomb, very probably from the 12th dynasty circa 2000 BC. The garden, measuring 3 meters by 2 meters, is raised and is divided into a grid arrangement of 30-centimeter squared beds, distributed in rows of 5 or 7 beds. According to experts, these small beds may have contained different types of plants and flowers. In addition, at the center of the raised garden, there are 2 beds which are set higher than the others, where small trees or shrubs probably grew. In one corner, the researchers rediscovered a still upright taramesque shrub complete with its roots and a 30-centimeter long trunk, besides which was a bowl containing dates and other fruits which may have been given as an offering. In addition, attached to the facade of the tomb, which the garden is related to for the time being, a small mud brick chapel with 3 stelae or stone tombs in its interior were uncovered. These are dated later than the tomb of the garden, coming from the 13th dynasty around the year 1800 BC. These findings highlight the importance of the area around the Dra Abu el Naga hill as a sacred center for a wide range of worship activities during the Middle Kingdom. This helps us understand the high density of tombs in later times as well as the religious symbolism that this area and the necropolis holds.